Are you tired of tech constantly chipping away at your hard-earned money? Does it feel like every app, subscription, and gadget is secretly conspiring to drain your wallet dry? What if I told you that just 5 simple tech tricks, easily implemented, could save you hundreds of dollars a year? And the best part? You can achieve these savings without giving up anything you currently love or enjoy. We're not talking about drastic measures, just smart, savvy adjustments to your digital habits. In today's video, we're diving deep and breaking down the top 5 tech tricks that save you hundreds of dollars. We'll explore practical tips and actionable strategies you can implement immediately to start seeing real savings. And trust me, number 2 on our list might just blow your mind. It's a game changer that many people overlook, but it has the potential to save you a significant amount of money each year. If you're passionate about saving money, eager to upgrade your digital life with clever solutions, or simply love discovering smart hacks that make a real difference, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button to show your support, subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5 for more valuable content, and tap the notification bell to never miss a tech-savvy tip or money-saving secret. We're committed to bringing you the best advice to help you make the most of your tech while keeping your budget in check. Coming in at number 5, browser extensions that do the hard work for you. We're talking about those clever little add-ons that live in your browser and silently hunt for savings. Ever heard of Honey, Coopert, or Capital One shopping? These tools automatically scan and apply the best coupons at checkout so you don't have to spend hours searching for promo codes that might not even work. It's like having a personal discount assistant working tirelessly in the background. They work on Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, you name it. Pretty much any major online retailer is fair game. Just install the extension. It usually takes just a few clicks. Shop like normal, and boom, you save without lifting a finger. The extension will automatically test every available coupon code and apply the one that gives you the biggest discount. Combined with Rakuten for double savings. Rakuten gives you cash back on top of the coupon savings, maximizing your rewards. Number 4, ditch the overpriced cloud subscriptions. We're all guilty of it, blindly paying for cloud storage we barely use. Why pay $9.99 a month for space you don't need? There are plenty of excellent free alternatives. Try Google Drive with 15 GB free, Mega with 20 GB plus, or PT Loud with lifetime offers. These services offer generous free tiers that might be all you need to back up your photos, documents, and other important files. Some platforms give you bonus storage just for referrals. Share your referral link with friends and family, and you can earn even more free space. That's potentially $120 to $300 saved per year if you're overpaying for iCloud, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Think about what else you could do with that extra cash. It's a simple switch that can make a big difference to your budget. Tech trick number 3, buy refurbished, not brand new. It's a smart way to get the tech you want without breaking the bank. Most gadgets lose 20 to 40% of value the moment you unbox them. That's a huge depreciation hit. Apple, Amazon Renewed, and Best Buy offer certified refurbished gear that works like new. These products have been inspected, tested, and restored to full working condition, and they often come with a warranty for peace of mind. Pair it with your credit card's free warranty extension or low-cost protection, and you're fully covered at a fraction of the cost. Many credit cards offer extended warranty protection on purchases, adding an extra year or 2 to the manufacturer's warranty. Save $100 to $500 on iPads, laptops, headphones, and more. You'll get the same functionality as a brand new device, but at a significantly lower price. Streaming, cloud storage, music, premium apps, they all love to charge per user. It can really add up if everyone in your household has their own subscription, but most offer shared family plans. Spotify, Netflix, YouTube Premium, Microsoft 365, Adobe, all have shared options. These plans allow you to share your subscription with multiple family members, often at a significantly reduced cost per person. Split them with family or trusted friends. Just make sure you're sharing with people you trust. That's easily $200 to $600 saved per year. Think of all the extra money you'll have for fun activities. Use apps like Splitwise or Google Sheets to track shared costs. These tools make it easy to keep track of who owes what so you can avoid any awkward conversations about money. Number 1, and possibly the most powerful trick, automated price tracking. This is a game changer for savvy shoppers. Tools like Camel for Amazon, price drop alerts, or Google Shopping price history notify you when prices drop. These tools monitor prices around the clock so you don't have to constantly check for deals yourself. Set it, forget it, and when the deal comes, your email or phone will let you know. You'll get an instant notification when the price drops to your desired level. Save $100 plus per major tech item like phones, TVs, and appliances. It's a simple way to ensure you're always getting the best possible price. Alright, let's quickly recap the game-changing strategies we've uncovered. From browser coupon extensions that automatically hunt for deals, to clever cloud storage hacks that maximize your digital space, and exploring the world of refurbished tech for premium gadgets at discounted prices. We also covered the benefits of shared subscriptions to cut down on monthly expenses, and setting up price alerts to snag the best deals when they drop. These aren't just simple tricks or fleeting savings. They're genuine digital life upgrades designed to empower you. Now, we want to hear from you. Head down to the comments section and let us know. Which of these money-saving tricks resonated with you the most? Was there a particular hack that sparked your interest? Or perhaps one that you're already a seasoned pro at using? Share your experiences, your insights, and any additional tips you might have for our community. Your input is invaluable, and we're eager to learn from your digital savvy. And before you go, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5 for more insightful content, and be sure to share it with that one friend who's always complaining about overpaying for tech. You know who they are. We're committed to bringing you more money-saving videos every week, packed with practical tips and expert advice. So stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, stay savvy in the ever-evolving digital landscape.